Hello, my name is Blair, and today in OS operating system we're gonna take a look into this Linux Lite. So this OS is actually I've been using for quite a while already, and I've been using this for a couple of months already because one of my old computer I want to test this one out, the HP 15 that I have. This is a decade ago laptop, and I'm still using it. Before it was Windows 7 or 10. This old computer, I already changed this into a Linux operating system way back then. That is why I was dual booting this laptop since 2019. I was looking for a lightweight OS. So let's take a look into this Linux Lite. As you can see right now, I'm in the welcome page. As you can see, it welcomes you with this message that it is for everyone to use, share, and suitable for a new user from Linux. It is a lightweight environment that is also fully functional. Linux Lite provides a basic collection for everyday tools like web browser, email client, media player, MP3 or MP4, Office, image editor, and so on, and get the best possible start to using Linux Lite. Browsing through the information below, we have the start here, support and contribution. So it's already installed, drivers installed, set to restore point is already installed, language support, and set of dark and light themes. And of course we also have in the middle is the online support manual, help, forums, hardware database, and UEFI secure boot. So you have all this support that you need for your hardware. And contribution for the codes, donate, shop, social medias, and feedbacks. And also, of course, on the bottom left we have the Facebook, GitLab, and all of those stuff in their social media. Let's close this one. As you can see, it is recording with my OBS. Let's start with this. As a right click on the mouse, we have the new Windows, create launcher, URL link, create folder, create document, which is empty, paste, open a terminal, task manager, screenshot, open as administrator, search here, arrange desktop icons, desktop settings, properties, and application. So you have also the application right here. And not only that, but also in the menu right here on the bottom left, we also have the menu right here, all the application that you need. So I have recently opened the installed update, but it's still coming with a lot of updates. Yes, we have I think we have a new update coming. It's almost all of our Linux OS has a new updates coming this month. I also opened the help manual recently used. Let us see if what is my recent use. Yes, I opened GIMP, the image editor, create a image and edit photographs. We also have the OBS, the Open Broadcast Software, which is free and open source streaming and recording software. We call it OBS. I also opened the system monitor, and the system processors, package manager to add, remove, and update your software. We also opened recently the software and update, the widgets, light widgets. We also have this system logs because I want to look into the logs on this system, and the welcome page, and the last one is the manager tweaks. So let's look into this. We already opened this one from About Me to Abilities, Customs, looking on this desktop, Application Manager or Application Finder, Archive Manager. We also have the backup, the Bluetooth adapter and manager, calculator, CD and DVD burner, color profile, desktop, which is the set desktop backgrounds menu and behavior icon. We have the disk manager right here, the display, which is the configuration and layout of our display, which is very helpful for our laptop right here. We also have the document editor, which is actually only Office. The document folder, document scanner, download, file manager settings, file search, file system, firewall configuration, fonts, of course the help menu, the DPI settings for our changing of our scaling of our desktop. We also have the folder of the home, the iBus preference, of course the GIMP, which is our image editor, driver installers, a third party and a proprietary drivers configuration right here, the install, update, keyboards, language support, light DMGTK plus for the greetings, which is the welcome page. We also have the light auto login, which is able and disable login, automatic login for our Linux Lite. We also have the light display, light info, light network share, light software, light sound, which is our manager for our sound. We have our light source, our repository source in our Linux Lite. We also have the system report, tweaks, upgrades, user manager, welcome page, welcome screen, yes. We also have the widgets, which is very useful for us if we want to put a lot of widgets in our desktop. Preference right here in our wall. Log out, the email client, which is Thunderbird. VLC, our media player. Our menu, our type editor, mouse and touchpad, music folder, of course our music player, which is a proprietary software, Spotify, network connection, notification, package manager, paint for creating and drawing our image, panel for the xfce. Yes, this is an xfce desktop environment they're using right here in Linux Lite. Our partition drivers, which is gparted, the PDF viewer. We have the photo manager, picture folder, power manager, preferred application for our default in our web, mail and terminal emulator, presentation, which is our slideshow, we are using actually the Libre Impress. Aside from our only office, we have also the printer configuration tool. We have also in the bottom right here, the last remaining, we have the processor or process viewer, public folder, removable disk and drive and media, run programs. Oh, we still have the screensaver, preference, screenshot, session and start up configuration tool, setting editor, setting manager, software and updates. Oh, we also have our Audacity, which is our audio and sound editor for our recording and audio files. We also have the calc, which is for our spreadsheets in LibreOffice. Of course, we have our free and open source streaming and recording software, which is our OBS, or Open Broadcast Software. We have our support right here. System information, system log, system monitor, of course, with our system restore utility, which is time shift, task manager, template, terminal, text editor, time and date, USB writer, USB formatter. USB image writer is a bootable disk software, and our USB formatter, which is just formatting our USB. And the last scroll down, I think, yep, this is the last. We also have the video folder, the sound, audio or volume control, the web browser, which is actually Firefox. Yes, right here, Firefox, our World Wide Web browser. We also have the window manager Twix, word processor, which is our writer, and it is actually LibreOffice. And the last one right here is our workspaces. So that's our all applications in this folder that we have. So you can also my computer, which is all of our folders right here. Settings, all of the settings you need right here. Just scroll down and look for it. We have accessories, graphics, internet. As you can see, we have our email client, Thunderbird, our network connection folder, support for our Linux Lite, and of course our World Wide Web browser, which is our Firefox. How about in our multimedia? I already installed our Audacity, which is our sound editor, our OBS for our screen recording and streaming. And for my music, I also downloaded our Spotify. In our office, we have this, the LibreOffice and OnlyOffice and PDF viewer. And lastly, right here, our system. So as you can see right here, we have a jerk-parted right here, package manager, printer, processors, viewer and system information logs, time shift, and our terminal. So let's try to see our terminal right here. Let us see our NeoFetch. Yes, there you have it, our NeoFetch. As you can see, it is in my HP 15 notebook PC with the kernel of 5.4. It is not yet 5.19. So I think I need to click this software update. So it's been only less than 30 minutes open right here. I was actually like browsing to this. So our packages, we have DPK, we have 2172, while our snap only 13 right here. With our shell, bashed shell is 5.0. Resolution is only 1366 by 768. So this is a little bit like below the HD quality, but it's nice because this is way back then, early 2010s, between 2011 to 2014. So this is an old computer, nearly a decade already. I think this is for a decade. Yeah, I think so. So yeah, as you can see, I have 12 gig of random access memory, and this is AMD A6 processor with 5200 APU quadro-core, and the GPU, our ATI Radeon HD R3 series. So let's check out our desktop settings right here. Yeah, it's beautiful. We have different types of wallpaper right here. Let me do this so that it will be maybe on the other side. Oh yeah, I think it's much better right here. We have this one, so cool. It's pinky. Sand, black and white tunnel, sports car. What is the title of this one? It's a bridge sunset. Where's the sun? We also have the close up of the grass in black and white, color gravity, digital pastel. We also have the Earth horizon, feathers, the Grayscape, hotel. This is not a hotel. This is a simulated graphic image of a pool. This one is a lake shadow. And we also have some bunch of just Linux Lite desktop. I'll just scroll down. Oh, here's Linux Lite. It's like a Budweiser. And also, of course, we have this too. What is the difference between this one? The bubbles and the evaporation. We also have the, what is this? This is from, the title is Lofoten's Island. And the last one, is this Linux? No, it isn't. This is a Mac computer. How dare you? So let me see. How about other backgrounds? Do we have other backgrounds? I don't think so. Yep. Let's guess. Let's check out our menu right here. So let's center this one. So we have the menu on desktop menu. I've already checked this one out. Our application icon menus and application menu on a desktop, right click, it's all checked. We also have the Windows list menu. Only the uncheck is the sub menu for the windows in each workspace, and the show sticky window on only inactive workspace. So all of this window list menu is turned on and it's checked. How about the icons? So the icons is just only 32. Let's try to make it small, like 30, like 25. Okay, let's just on the size of 32. It is much pleasant to the eyes. It is not HD, full HD yet, but only a 768 resolution. The file right here is minimized. Let's try to minimize that one's the minimize and none. So you have the options right here, either on left vertical tops or the top left horizontal. How about the vertical? Yeah, over there on the right side. How about the vertical, or they make it the horizontal right top? How about the bottom left vertical? How about the left horizontal? How about the bottom right vertical? And the last one, we have the bottom right horizontal. Yeah, I just playing. It is awesome, right? How about horizontal, so that it will be staying away from our desktop, which is oh, by the way, you can also our default right here. We have the system if you want to, and the removable. I just don't want to have a lot of icons in our desktop. So let's close this one. So let me see what we could find. How about settings? I think there's settings. Oh yeah. Let's try to see our partition right here. I'll let you see the partition that we have in this particular computer. So I have the big Linux, the MX, Ubuntu Studio, the Manjaro, and our Linux Lite. Let me see what we could. Settings, about me, blah 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 blah. As you can see, we have all those tweaks right here. I haven't checked this one. Boot up, fix, repair, caution, the grub menu, entry, caution. Let's check out the support. So as you can see, we have some result right here, the sub button and those stuff right here. If you have some questions, you just come to the website of linuxliteos.com for your support. You can ask any of these questions right here if you have some problems, updates. So of course, don't be rude, people. We are trying to help each other for free as a developer. So yeah, we also of course language right here for Spanish, Dutch, Arabic, French, Netherlands, Russian, and other languages right here. So there's a lot of topics going on right here. Even the customized desktop, the screenshot wallpaper, and the member submit artwork for there. Let's try to see if what artwork they could send contribution. White rose. Let's try to see the white rose. This is basically way back in October 25th, 2018. Ah, all the white rows. Let's go back. Another, let us see. Custom bootload splash. So this is all the contribution from the worldwide members. Oh wow, this is okay. Linux Lite. This was submitted when? Oh, 2017 and October 19 from the CPU Intel Atom. The CPU is N2600 at 1.6 gigahertz with 1 gigabytes of memory. Wow. That is cool. That is cool. So you can submit your artworks right here. Even way back in 2014 we also have right here. The last entry is 2018. Customization. Most of them already use the forum in Facebook, that is why. But still, we still have some information right here, general information, general release information, announcements and introduction, suggestion and back or feedbacks on topic and off topic, and security and bug fixes. There's a lot right here. This 2023, even though it's 2023 already, all of this information are still right here in our forum, plus this one. So Facebook is literally the place to be right now. It is not an open web but a closed web, so I think people should be like open, like an open web. You don't need to have an account on Facebook just to have a support, it is much better. Even though yes, we have all those stuff in our cell phone, but not all people has an account in Facebook, so that is why we need to be in our open web, which is just a World Wide Web address, not to go to an account, question people for your support. You know what I mean. So anyway, let's go back to our open web, linuxliteos.com. So if you have some questions, feel free to drop by their official website. Don't go to any shady website. Just go to the website at linuxliteos.com. So I think we already covered all of those stuff right here. Oh, let me return to this one. It is pinky. I like it. Or should I use this one, the Bud Linux Lite Budweiser thing? Oh, we still have a lot right here. So come on, let's dive into this. We have also the beach right here, the Maldives, the clouds from the mountain. We have the cityscape of New York. The beach right here. Stones, rose, our ray of sun through our strawberries, delicious, and of course the desktop default, which is the sparkling firecracker thing. Sunset, sea coast, and surface, and the last one right here, a wood. Yeah, this is their default. Can we use this one, the Linux Lite Budweiser distro thing. Or the Pinky Mountains of Australia. Where is this? Is this in Sahara? Maybe. So let's try to see what's inside our panel right here. For our control panel, we have our about, appearance, desktop, file manager, notification, and a lot more. So check out this information before you need to tinker with your Linux application. We also have some tweaks right here. Just click on that one, and then if you want to return, click right here in all settings. We also have all the information that you need right here. So even the DPI settings for your scaling. So either you are setting below. How about the fonts? Should we drop the fonts? What do you think? So let's try to see if what we could like download right here. So our software. Oh, let's try to click this one. Find software. Enter the super secret password for the Synoptic. So just type in right here for your application if you're looking for example, if we're like looking in the search button, let's find something like let me see, do we have some games? Click that one, and let's wait for the package. So we have a lot of games right here. We have Seven Kingdoms, ancient real-time strategic games. We also have the penguin theme solitaire. We have the all-time favorites games right here. Crawl, Dungeon, Word Forge, Doom, and a lot more. Ooh. How about the K Black Box? It's a black box puzzle game. Atoms, the K Atom Mech. Oh, we have also the Pac-Man clone. Yeah, we have the Pac-Man clone. Let me see what we could like. Oh, the geographic. Oh yeah, do we have the Gcompre? Gcompre. Alright, there it is, the Gcompre. Yeah, I like this program. It is educational. It's highly educational program from ages 2 to 10, which is sometimes we could also like 12, 13 years old, still playable. So let's try to install this program. Let's mark this one. Mark for installation. Yes. And then we click apply. And then download. Let's wait. This is how you install programs through our Synoptic package manager. So it is showing you how many minutes, how many seconds, not minutes but seconds, only seconds. Now it's down to 21 seconds remaining. Now it's 1 minute. Maybe the internet connection is a little bit like sluggish. I know I have a better internet right here. If you ask me where am I, right here in Asia, Southeast Asia. I'm in Thailand right now as a teacher in science and computer. And of course, I introduced them also to our Linux programs, Linux operating system, including Android and desktop. Android is actually Linux. I keep reminding my students, you are using Android Linux. That is why it is not hard to use Linux kernel, any sort of OS under the kernel of Linux. So 10, 8 seconds to go, 5 seconds, 1 second, and voila. Now in prompt me, that is important to have the updates, because I have 86 important updates available. But of course, I'm just wanted to download this one, the Gcompre, so that you will have the idea. Do we have an error? Yeah, I think the internet connection is a little bit sluggish, and plus this important. Is it already here? Yes, Gcompre is already here, educational program right here. So we just only have a bad internet connection, that is why. It's no surprise. So let's open the Gcompre. Yes, let's download. Yes, keep it in the background. Here. Okay, so this is the Gcompre. Maybe I gonna give you some idea on Gcompre next time as I let you open this as a program or the Linux app. So we have this puzzles, these games, the double top, simple letters, numbers, dice. We also have the logic, fine arts, and music right here. I like this one. We also have the experiments right here. The solar system into gravity. History. Roman numbers. Family. We also have the geographic, which is the location of the region and the location of countries. My students always play this one, these two geographic puzzles. And of course, family and point the relative. Louis Pasteur is also here. Maze. Let me see. Memory game. Yay. Let's open memory game. Oh. Oh. Oh no. It's my turn. Ay, ay, ay. The cow. Okay, it's my turn. Oh, we have the fox. Yay. And the last one, the bird. Oh, Linux is 0. Me got 3. Now it's new. Round 2. Oh, I have the fox and the pig. Oh, the turtle is over there. Oh, I got a monkey. Oh, I got a pig. Oh, where's the pig? I remember the pig is already right here. Oh, that's the turtle. And the pig. Yay. How about this one? Got the monkey. And the monkey. And I will win this round. Yay. So that is the Gcompre. Let's go back to our... we also have the numerical numbers, measurements right here, the calendar at the same time. We have the puzzle right here. We also have the letters, words, vocabulary right here. And of course, what is this? Other games like chess and checker and tic-tac-toe, all those stuff. So yeah, Let's turn off this one. I hope you enjoy this one. Yeah, even though I'm old, I play sometimes. Okay, let's go back to our... So it reminds me about the updates. Let's try to see the updates. Install updates. So Linux Lite will now fetch information, update lists, cancel or continue. Let's proceed. Of course, let's click and enter our super secret password. Oh, did I push? No. Okay. So it's waiting for the response to update our system. As you can see, it is fetching the updates. In a while, we will try to know the updates. So as you can see, let me move this one so that you can see all those stuff right here, what's going on. As you can see right here, we have daily, the maybe weekly. Yeah, I think I would probably weekly. Mobile use, which is okay. Just close that one. So I have a lot of information right here in our update. We have, how many was that? Is it from... Okay, we have 86 updates. So let's click this one from our software Python, Thunderbird, X server, Grub, and all of those stuff right there. So let's click download everything. Let's wait for it. Will take a couple of minutes or seconds. It depends on how many updates that we have. That's how you update your system and your Linux Lite compared to Windows. Well, the best example, when you click the updates, sometimes it will take time, sometimes it will crash the blue information. Oops, something's wrong. Yeah, Windows, I don't know. Supposed to be you have all the information because it is a proprietary software, so it's supposed to be informing all of those stuff because you are trying to spy, know about our system. So I think it is much better to let people know. As you may know, we know what you're doing. It's still like 80%. It's still downloading. Now it's downloading the firmware of Linux, and at the same time it's installing, I think. So let's wait a little bit. After that, I probably log in so that it will take the effective of our update. Oh, do you want to? Oh, yeah. Yeah, still updating our resources right here. Install? Yes, of course. Let's install. That is why we have our update. Now it is letting us know. Now it is the headers and all those stuff. Alright, we have our Linux Lite software installation. Calibre, not installed. Google web browser, not installed. And all those stuff right here. Do we have game packs, the Mahjong, chess, mine, Sudoku, and all those stuff? Let's try to install this one. Yes, let's try to install. We have error. Yeah, it's still downloading this one, so that's why it's taking a lot of the resources right here. Let's minimize until, let's wait for this download updates to install everything. Yeah, so setting up. It is now setting up and unpacking all those stuff and installing right now in our computer laptop. Okay, the update is already completed and successful. Let's try to... I would like to view the log. Yes, of course, I would like to see the log. So yeah, we have a lot of information right here. We have the Linux handler, module, extra, image. We also have the group right here, which is here, the EFI. Yeah, it's here. Python 3, Python software, and blah 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 thing, all those stuff right here. So yeah, so we need to reboot our system. So see you in a while. Okay, we're back right here in our Linux Lite as I reboot the system. So right now, yeah, let's take a look. Yep, it's already okay. It's already loaded everything. Yeah. So the package update indicator is already notified that it is already okay. Well, we are now back in our system. As you can see, let's try to find some software. We have also the light right here. So yeah, let's try to see if what we could get from this, because already like update the system, so we will see which one is already update. And yeah, okay, let's try to update. Let's try to open our Lite software installer. So as you can see right here, we have a lot of information right here, especially Calibre is not installed, the ebook library management, and we have also the vanilla etcher, the etcher. Yeah, let's try to install this one. Let's try to see if what we could find like here. So it is basically, this is the Lite software application compared to the other one. We use the other one, the Synaptic, which is this one, install and remove and upgrade. But at the same time, we have also the software, which is the Lite software. So as you can see, we have a lot of information right here. Yeah, this is actually our software. Back to the sector test. We also have the remove. Let's see what software that are in right here in our Linux Lite software. It will take time. It will take time. Oh, see. So we have the system monitor, we also have the weather monitor, OBS, which is right now I'm using it, Odyssey for our software recording. So let's quit because we are still waiting for this one. Let's try to install the banana etcher again, because the internet connection and the other Wi-Fi that we have, it's a little bit like sluggish, so I have to make sure to use another Wi-Fi connection. Oh, let me see. Banana etcher, where are you? Is it already like installed? Don't say it's already installed. Oh no, there it is. Let's install. Yes. And that's our OS, operating system Linux Lite. I hope you have the idea of already of our Linux Lite, and it will help you decide if you want to jump into this operating system. It is light and it is free to use, freedom to use, and at the same time it is very light. xfce desktop environment, which is very light for all of those stuff, for all of our old computers that are just lying down, not using for a couple of years and we want to use it, either we give it to our niece or to our kids. So that's about it for now. I'm Blair for OS Operating System, our first look with Linux Lite 5.8. Saying bye for now and catch another episode next time. Ciao!